Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of DOT, AVAX, Link, MATIC and TRX. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a friendly reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis now. I have opened the chart of DOT against USDC. So if we look at the chart of a dot on 1 day time frame, it is moving in this downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this descending triangle formation. The breakdown level was at 6.034, and after this breakdown, it exposed three targets on downside, where its first target was 4.94, that is already achieved on this candle, and its second target was at 3.832, and it was achieved in this candle, and its final target is at 2.834. So even so there is a possibility that it might go towards upside, and it can retest is a 50 EMA resistance, that is at 5.836 level. So when it will touch this level, then it will again start its downward journey, and it will try to come on its final target on the downside, that is at 2.834 level. So it's in downtrend. I will not recommend you guys to go for buying in this coin at this time. If you want to buy, then make sure that it has started its uptrend, and when you are sure that it has started its uptrend, then you can definitely go for buying into this coin. Otherwise you need to follow the strategy of sell on strength. The next coin is AVAX. So I need to open the chart for AVAX against the USDC. So I have opened the chart of AVAX, and now I will discuss it on 1 day time frame. So if we discuss it on 1 day time frame, it is moving in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation. So the support of the breakdown level was at 36.71. So after that breakdown, it has exposed the level of 22, that has been achieved in this candle. So it has already achieved the target for this breakdown of this flag formation. So if we look at on a 1 hour time frame, so even on a 1 hour time frame, it was moving on its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this wedge formation. The breakdown was at 25.33, and where it exposed the target, where the first target was at 24.54, and its second target was at 23.73. The second target is achieved in these candles, and but still there is a possibility that it will go towards this final target for short term on 1 hour time frame, that is at 22.40. So this was the trade that I shared in my telegram group. So this is a free telegram group where I share the timely breakout and breakdown alerts. So if you want to get timely breakout and breakdown alerts like this, you can join our free telegram and facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So even so AVAX is even on a daily time frame and on 1 hour time frame, it is moving in its downtrend. So you need to follow the strategy of sell on strength. Either you can go for a short sell, or you can simply go for selling in your spot segment. If you have it in your spot segment, you have bought it at higher price, then you need to make sure that it is whenever it makes its highest level, then you need to go for selling in this coin. You need to make sure, if you want to go for buying, then you need to make sure that it enters into its uptrend. So when it is in its uptrend, then you can definitely go for buying. Otherwise I will recommend that you guys don't buy in this coin at this moment. So next coin is Link. So I am opening the chart of Link against the USDC. So this is the chart for Link against USDC on 1 day time frame. So if we discuss about this trend, is in uptrend, but currently it is consolidating in this channel formation. Its current price is at 18.22, and the resistance for this channel formation is at 24, and the support for this channel formation is at 14.25 level. So if you want to go for buying into Link, then you need to make sure that prices are at support level, that is around the 14. So you can go for buying at these levels, but you need to make sure that you put a stop loss below this support of this trend line and this channel formation. So if we look at link on 1 hour time frame, so even on 1 hour time frame is moving in its sideways is moving in its sideways formation, where the resistance of this sideways formation is at this zone, that is around 19.5 to 20, and the support of this zone is at uh, 17.50. So the support for link on 1 hour time frame is at 17.80, and the resistance for link on 1 hour time frame is at 19.50. So currently prices are moving around its support levels. So if you want to go for buying, then you need to make sure that the prices sustain this support level. Then you can go for buying into the link. After buying, your first target will be at 18.7, and your final target will be again in this selling zone, that is around 19.50. So if we calculate expected profit, then from support till the resistance, you can expect profit, staggering profit of like 9%. So if you guys work in a future segment, then you can take margin according to your risk capacity and you can maximize your profit, but you need to make sure that your risk is in control. So if the next coin is Polygon MATIC, so I'm opening the chart of MATIC against the USDC. So if we look at the MATIC on 1 day time frame, the MATIC has a very strong support around 2.0 point. Matic has a very strong support on 1 day time frame at 0.2857. This is very strong support. It has already tested this support in this candle, and there were more than usual volumes at this candle. So we can see the buys are very bullish around this area, and they will definitely go for buying around this level, and they are already doing this. So if it sustains the support of 0.2857, then we can expect its prices to go upside, where it can easily go upside and test the level of 0.3902 level. So if you go for buying at 0.2857, you can simply put you can have the target of 0.3902 in your mind, and you need to make sure that you put a stop loss below this support level, that is 0.2857 level. So if we calculate the expected profit in this scenario, so you can expect a profit of about 30% in spot segment. So if you trade in future segment, then you can manage your margin accordingly. So even on 1 hour, if we discuss it on 1 hour time frame, uh, currently it is consolidating, where the support is at the same level, that is a 0.2857 level, and the resistance is at 0.3557. So if it gives closing above this 0.3557 level, then this will be the best level. You can go for buying into Matic, where you can expect huge profits in upcoming days and upcoming sessions in this coin, and there will be like a big pump in its prices when it will give closing above this 0.3557 level. But in this scenario, you have to make sure that you have your loss is in your control, and you need to make sure that you are trading with your stop loss. It will be all right if you work in just spot segment, but if you are working in a future segment, then you need to make sure that your risk is in control. Otherwise you can face huge losses, where we are expecting the profit like 35%. Then if you work without the stop loss, then you can expect the loss of 35%. So you need to make sure that whenever you trade, you need to make sure that your loss is in your control, that you are working with proper risk management. So the next coin is a TRX. So I am opening the TRX against the USDC. So if we discuss the TRX on 1 day time frame, So TRX, the major trend of TRX is still uptrend, but currently it is consolidating in a channel formation. Its current price is at 0.2368 level, and the resistance of this channel formation is at 0.2531. Let me mark this level so we don't get confused again and again. The resistance is at 0.2536, and the support of this channel formation is at 0.2001. So if you want to go for buying in this coin, you need to make sure that you get prices close to this support level, that is the support of this channel formation. It will keep on changing with the time, like it is different at this time frame, but it will be different at this time frame. So you need to make sure that you go for buying exactly on this support line. And when you go for buying, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this support of this channel formation. So even if we look on TRX on 1 hour time frame, and if we discuss about its channel, its trend, so well, currently it has not made any proper formation on 1 hour time frame, so we cannot predict its upcoming levels on 1 hour time frame. So but if there will be any formation or any new breakout or breakdown in these coins, so I will timely update in my Telegram group. So if you guys want to be part of those groups, their links are given in the video description. So now I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in near future. So that's all for now. See you in next video.